Hey guys, and welcome to another video and another episode on how-to guides. Today we are taking off this wing mirror from a Honda Crv Mk2. We're going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to take this mirror off for anyone that smashed them or anyone wanting to replace them. Keep watching. So we come around the inside, and then there's this plastic trim just on the inside of the mirror, as you can see there. So how we get this off is a trim remover tool, where you can just sort of get your finger behind and that'll pull the first section out, and you can get your fingers probably down enough to get one clip out, which is that one, and then we just got to get a bottom clip out just down there. We can still do that by hand too. There we go. It's actually just popped out that door card trim as well. Normally, if I can find it, these trims have a little centre bit that you just push in, and then this clip pops out, which you can just about see on the driver's side here. So that little clip down there, the centre of that pushes in slightly. Don't go too mad, 'cause you will break the clip, although they are cheap on eBay anyway. So you can just pop those in, clip comes out. Now that trim's removed, you've got this loom here which goes right down behind the door card, so we will have to remove this whole door panel. How we do that, obviously like I just said, we remove that trim. There's one under there that we've got to get off, because I think there's a couple of screws behind there, and then we've got one screw just under the door handle there, and then the rest of the door is held on by plastic poppers. So with a pick tool on the interior door handle here, we're just going to pull that out. There we go. And then there's two screws, two crosshead screws there. I'm going to undo those. And by undoing these two screws, it releases this door handle. And what we're going to do, we're actually going to pull away this just so it gets out of the way. So you see that clip in there, the brown clip, that just needs to lever out. So we actually got our pick tool and just levered it out against there, and then that little brown clip just pushes back. Just be careful not to break that. After we've done that, we're just going to lift this metal clip up, so then that releases the interior door handle. There we go. So that's the little clip that we was on about. So that clips over that little bar that we've just taken off, and that connects to the door lock catch. So that's the trim off. The next screw we're going to undo is this one underneath the grab handle, just under there. That's the next screw we're going to take out. Now we've just undone that screw, we just got to go to this side here, and there is another hidden one just up there that you can't really see in this light, but there's another hidden one just up there which is also a crosshead. We're going to undo that one. With those screws undone, we're just going to get our lever bar underneath the door card here. You see the door card follows it round. We're just going to get our trim remover tool and just pop that out there, and then we're just going to go along, pop that one, pop some more by hand, and this edge as well, and you can see that's now loose. So now what we do, we pull it up, go along, pull it up, and that's your door card removed. Just want to be careful of this loom. You want to undo the plug, just press the plug underneath, and the same with that one at the bottom, which you've got to undo that as well. Or you can always just rest the door card if you want to, but we're going to have to take this off anyway, so we're going to completely remove that. Now we've undone the plugs, we're just going to get this removal tool that just undone that one, and that helps get under these little plastic lugs, and we're going to just pop that under there, lever that out as well. And that's the whole door card interior panel removed. And the reason we had to move that door card is because we're going to trace this loom, so we're just going to pull back this plastic, and we're going to follow the wires. So we're going to follow this one, and that connects just to there. So we're going to undo that plug. So that plug's undone. Pop it behind the loom, Careful not to break this one. And again, we're just going to use our little removal tool here. I'm just going to lever that back, get under there a bit more, and that releases that little plastic trim that pops in like that. And then we've got 3 8mm nuts. We've briefly undone these, but just left them finger tight just so the mirror didn't fall off. And with those all undone, just got your hand on the outside, just give it a little wiggle. There's a little clip, just, well, it's more like a plastic trim, just gets stuck inside, and you feed the lube out, and there is your door wing mirror. So these are the only tools we used. We got a battery ratchet. Appreciate not everyone has one of those, but it's an 8mm nut that sits on these, and we've got this little trim remover, little pick tool, and just the cross head screwdriver there, and that is literally all you need to take the door wing mirror off the Honda CR-V. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped a few of you, and if you did like the video, please give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and if you want to see any more Honda content or any other vehicles, please keep an eye on the channel, because there is plenty more of parts to come out of this one and plenty more cars to go through. So yes, thanks once again for watching, and we will see you on the next one.